Address to President of United States, Honorable Donald Trump. Subject: How to replace religious terroristic Iran regime to civil one. Dear President of United States, Donald Trump, as one of the intellectual PhD research scientists and former political leader of Azerbaijan Republic, and as a United States citizen and your loyal supporter, I have to say that United States foreign policy towards Iran, Turkey, and Azerbaijan is not smart. And therefore, United States is losing more aggressive Russian geostrategic policy in this very important Middle East region. But there is a possibility for State Department immediately to correct and accept right foreign policy toward this very important Middle East region of the world. Next following actions towards above mentioned regional countries by USA State Department have to begin immediately. First, support Iranian Turks who created Iran-Turkic Empire in the last 1,000 years, from 900 to 1925, and governed over Iran in 1,000 years. Iran is not a Persian country, but Turkic country, and had been ruled by Turks in the last 1,000 years. In fact, nowadays, majority and dominant part of Iran multinational nations is Turks, but not so-called Persians, which are conglomerates of more than 20 small mixed nations. Persian and other indigenous people of Iran had been destroyed by powerful Macedonians, then Arabs, and in the last 1,000 years by mighty Turco-Mongolian armies. Therefore, sooner or later, Iranian Turks will again to be on power in Iran anyway, because Turks created Iran Empire and ruled Iran in the last 1,000 years, but not small mixed nation of Iran. It is very convenient and necessary time to United States to involve and to accelerate power changing in Iran, politically and militarily, using Iranian Turkic national movement and regional mighty Turkish army and Azerbaijan Turkic Republican army. This strategy will be very convenient for United States, because a military Turkic nation of Iran usually isn't a very religious one, and they historically several times already destroyed dominant Shiite religion in Iran as an anti-Turkic hostile religion. Turkic nations, traditional military nations, as United States nation is. Second, support Turkey government and military as the most powerful military nation in the Middle East region. Whole nation of Turkey, traditional more military nations and religious. And I hope President of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan, will understand it soon. Third, help to Azerbaijan Turkic nation and army. They are already ready for it. To oust criminal Aliyev's dynasty, KGB dynasty regime in Azerbaijan, who has been brought to power by Russian KGB government, and this criminal Aliyev's regime works for Russia and spying on United States by the order of Russian KGB Putin's government. Just look, the ambassador of Azerbaijan in United States, Elin Suleymanov, is the former Russian KGB agent. Aliyev's criminal dynasty KGB regime is spying on United States military and State Department through United States Jewish mafia by giving them millions, billions of dollars of oil money by the order of Russian Putin's government. Azerbaijan criminal Aliyev's dynasty regime's airline company, Azal, owner of Azal are Leyla Aliyev, the daughter of criminal President Aliyev, and Jahangir Askerov, who is also a Russian KGB agent, also using situation of serving to United States Army in Afghanistan as an ally of United States. They are spying over United States Army movement for the sake of Russia, and also under cover of serving to United States Army in Afghanistan, they are doing criminal multi-billion narco business and are bringing tons of Afghan narcotics to Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan Azal Airlines also doing narco business with the Central and South American countries. All of these crimes against Azerbaijan nation have to stop, and Aliyev's criminal KGB dynasty regime has to be ousted as soon as possible, and Azerbaijan nation and army ready for it. Fourth, for carrying out all of this complex, smart Middle East foreign policy, United States State Department has to use high educated Turkic background of United States citizen politicians who are loyal to Trump administration, as I am, but not as a national background of specialists who do not know Turkic national characters and also have already compromised themselves before Turkic nations and governments. What I am saying are very crucial for successful Middle East foreign policy of Trump administration and deserve to immediate attention of Honorable Donald Trump and Honorable Mike Pompeo. Thanks. Dr. Victor Alexander, PhD, member of Republican Party of United States, loyal supporter of President of United States, Honorable Donald Trump. Thanks again.